Anthropic didn't ship a Slack integration this week. They shipped an obituary for every AI dashboard built in the last 2 years. If you've built an internal AI tool and watched your team use it twice a week instead of twice a day, you already know the problem. It's not the model. It's the surface. I'll show you the exact invocation delta from one agent I run, 40 calls a day versus 2. Same logic, same prompts. One lived in a dashboard, one lived in chat. Most takes are calling this a Slack feature. It's not. And Anthropic picked the wrong chat app for small businesses. I'm Lazar. I wire these agents into the tools clients already have open. So here's what happened. Anthropic rolled out Claude inside Slack threads. You tag the agent like you tag a coworker. It inherits the channel context. It remembers across days. It reports back in the same thread. No new chab, no new UI, no login. That's the product. Now here's the part the launch post doesn't say out loud. Anthropic is the model lab. When the model lab starts telling you where the agent should live, that's not a feature drop. That's a positioning admission. They are conceding that the last 2 years of AI product design, every startup that shipped a dashboard with a chat box in it was wrong about the surface. Users don't want to visit your tool. They want your tool to show up where they already are. I call this the surface tax. Every dashboard you build is a place your user has to remember to open. Chat surfaces don't have that tax. They piggyback on a habit that's already there. I run an agent for a client that started life as a web dashboard. Nice UI, clean charts, worked fine. Usage was around 2 invocations a day per user. We ripped the dashboard out and wired the exact same agent into their Telegram, @mention pattern. Threaded replies, memory per chat, same prompts, same tools, same model. Usage went to about 40 invocations a day. 20 times the usage, 0 improvement to the logic. The only thing that changed was the surface. So what did Anthropic get right? 3 things. @mention as the invocation pattern, because everyone already tags coworkers. Thread as memory, because the conversation is the context. You don't need a separate session store. And async return, because the agent can take 30 seconds to think and nobody's staring at a spinner. Those 3 primitives are correct and every builder should copy them. What did they get wrong? Slack. Slack has around 35 million daily active users, almost all inside mid-market and enterprise. Real small businesses. The plumber with 3 vans. The agency with 6 people. The e-com shop with 2 founders. They do not run on Slack. They run on Telegram. They run on email and a group chat. If you're a solopreneur watching this, the takeaway is not go buy a Slack team plan and wait for Claude. The takeaway is stop building dashboards for your internal AI tools. If you want this pattern @mention agent, threaded memory, async replies, built into the chat surface your team or your customers actually use, WhatsApp, Telegram, email, whatever. That is exactly what we ship for clients at BizflowAI.io. Go see the real examples there. Hit subscribe and ring the bell so the next tier down finds you.